Yeah, I don't know if you can see this, but we came out there. There's a statue of a bird over there that was extinct. I'm here by the North Atlantic Ocean, and I want to get a picture of that rock out there. So the parking lot is basically, you can tell this is all lava rocks here, where the lava must have flowed into the ocean sometime in the past. And the sun is already down, as you can tell. But that looks like a beautiful scenery here at the island, and the setting sun in the background. So I want to come out here and try to get a picture real quick. There. Snapped a couple pictures. Walking along, you can see this lava rock. That looks pretty cool. As you're walking across, you can kind of see the ridges in it. Whoop. From how the lava flowed through. So I guess that's what makes Iceland, Iceland. I'm gonna snap a couple more pictures of that. That's just pretty. Wow, look at that. First day in Iceland. And what do we see there? Looking very beautiful. I don't know if I can go all the way across. Nope. Not that way. Definitely over there. Look at that corkscrew. We got some people driving by on their little scooters. But look at that.
Oh my God, look at
Look at that. Look at that.
Let's take a picture. That's so lucky.
Look at that. Getting a nice show tonight. Somebody's breaking stuff in the background.
Oh, that's really
Look at that.
nice.
Look at that. Came down to the courtyard outside the condo. Got a nice view of the Borealis over here. I will say though, it actually shows up a little bit brighter on the phone than it does in real life, but you can see it in real life. Oh wow, look at that. I guess I never actually realized you can see it move so much. See the tail on the left side there? Look at it move. Yeah, I never realized that you could see it move so much. That's pretty impressive. Has everybody out there taking pictures of it? Yeah, impressive. Yeah, look at it. That's pretty impressive. I wonder if I can. Yeah, phone doesn't know where to focus at when you zoom in all the way.